In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trello integration to your Notion workspace. Whether you're looking to streamline project management or ensure all your tasks are in one place, integrating these two powerful tools can significantly enhance your productivity. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Notion dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's essentially your command center for bringing Trello and Notion together. Once you have your Notion dashboard open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not entirely comfortable with it yet. This will make navigating through the process a lot smoother. Now, locate the Settings menu. Typically, you'll find this option in the sidebar of your Notion dashboard. Clicking on Settings is your entryway into customizing your Notion environment to better suit your workflow needs, including integrating external tools like Trello. Once in the settings, look for the option labeled My Connections. This is a crucial step because My Connections is where Notion allows you to manage and establish integrations with other apps, helping to bridge gaps between different platforms. After you've clicked on My Connections, you should see an option that says See All. Go ahead and click on that to view a comprehensive list of potential integrations that Notion supports. This area is a treasure trove of possibilities if you're looking to extend Notion's functionalities beyond its native offerings. From the list provided under Discover New Connections, find Trello and select it. You'll see a Connect button right next to Trello. Click on Connect to initiate the integration process. At this point, it's a good idea to make sure that you're already logged into your Trello account in another tab or window to ensure a smooth linking process. You'll be directed to a Trello permissions page where you need to authorize Notion to access your Trello account data. This step is essential for allowing Notion to pull in all relevant information from Trello. Here you'll need to click on the Allow button. It might feel like a lot of handshaking between the apps, but it's necessary for keeping your data secure and ensuring both applications can communicate effectively. And that's it, you've successfully integrated Trello with Notion. With this setup, you can now enjoy a more streamlined workflow where your Trello boards can be viewed directly within Notion. Remember, the goal here is to make task management and project tracking as seamless as possible, and integrating these two tools is a fantastic way to start. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial beneficial. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore more advanced integration features. Until then, take advantage of the new capabilities you've unlocked, and happy organizing!